Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Everlyn. In today's lesson, we'll learn useful vocabulary to talk about our favourite things. Ready? Let's begin. Our first word is greet. Greet means to say hello politely. For example, you can greet someone by saying, "Hello, how's your day going?" Repeat after me. Greet. Our next word is favourite. Favourite means something you like the most. For example, my favourite food is pizza. Now you say it. Favourite. The next word is famous. This means well known by many people. For example, pizza is famous in Italy. Repeat after me. Famous. Our next words are singer and band. A singer is someone who sings, and a band is a group of musicians. You could ask, who's your favourite singer or band? Repeat after me, singer, band. The next word is concert. A concert is a live music performance. For example, I went to a concert last night. Repeat after me, concert. Next we have travel and destination. Travel means going from one place to another, and a destination is the place you travel to. For example, Paris is a popular travel destination. Repeat after me, travel, destination. Our next words are experience and culture. An experience is something that happens to you, and culture is the traditions and way of life of people. You can say, travelling gives me great experiences. I love learning about different cultures. Repeat after me, experience, culture. Next, let's talk about hobby. And often, a hobby is something fun you do in your free time, and often means frequently. For example, my hobby is painting, and I do it often. Repeat after me. Hobby, often. Let's practice with an example conversation using today's vocabulary. What's your favourite food?
I love pizza because it's delicious.
Can you cook it?
Yes, I can.
Great job! Let's quickly review today's vocabulary again. Greet, favourite, famous, singer, band, concert, travel, destination, experience, culture, hobby, often. Can you use these words in sentences? Thanks for watching Learning English with Everlyn. Tell me in the comments, what's your favourite hobby or food? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.